Okay, so the source of the B-pillar rattle that's been there for 3 years is in the sheet metal behind here. You remove the seat belt, the front seat belt. You look inside. This member here has a piece of metal inside it as well, and there's those 2 holes. You can put your finger in those 2 holes, or underneath where there's a gap here. Put your finger in and manipulate the inner piece of metal. And there's tapping. The pieces of metal are touching inside. Also, if you put your finger in the holes and move that inner piece of metal, and the other one, you're moving the inside sheet, not the outer. But this is the noise.